Your person is in deep pain over you right now. Before you continue, take a slow breath. This message is not loud, it is not dramatist, it is heavy, quiet and honest. This is not about obsession. This is about regret longing in a heart that does not know how to heal. Welcome to Rise and Inspire. Every message here has the power to shift your mindset. They are smiling on the outside, but inside they are breaking. Your person is hurting far more than they ever show. To the world they seem fine, they laugh when expected, they follow routine as they distract themselves. With work, with noise, with people, with endless scrolling, but when they are alone the world goes. Silent pain rushes in. They replay moments with small moments, your voice, your presence, of little things they did not value enough when you were there, and that is where the pain begins. They did not understand what they were losing. This pain did not arrive suddenly at first. They believed distance would help. They told themselves space was the answer. They thought moving on would be easy, but something unexpected happened. Instead of relief, there was emptiness. Instead of freedom, there was loss. Because you were not just someone in their life, you were comfort, you were safety, you were home in human form, and they only understood that once it was gone. If guilt is heavy on their heart, a quiet guilt, not only for what they did but for what they failed to do, not choosing you clearly, not protecting the connection, not being emotionally present. They know you deserved more. They know they were inconsistent. They know they caused confusion and hurt, and this awareness hurts them deeply. They think about the past. If only I had spoken sooner, if only I had been braver, if only I had said what I felt. But time does not move backward. They still feel you energetic, live and in silence, even with no contact. Even if it looks like they moved on, they feel you when something reminds them of you, when a song plays at the wrong moment, when they reach for their phone and stop. Connection is still elevated. That is why the pain remains. They are fighting themselves, emotionally overwhelmed yet emotionally guarded. They do not know how to express vulnerabilities. Instead of opening up, they shut down. Instead of reaching out, they stay silent. One part of them wants to come back, another part fears repeating the same mistakes. This inner conflict is exhausting. They miss you most in quiet moments, late nights, early mornings, when something good happens and they cannot tell you. When something goes wrong and they wish you were there. They miss your presence and attention. They miss how you made life feel lighter, how you understood them without explanation, how being with you felt natural. Realizing this now hurts deeply. They compare everyone to you. Even if they tried moving one, and if they tried dating, no one feels the same. Others may be kind, others may be attractive, but they do not carry your energy, and that realization cuts deeper, because what they lost was not replaceable. Their greatest struggle is not loving you, it is admitting that love to themselves, to others, to you. They fear vulnerability, fear rejection, they fear facing the consequences of their choices, so they hold the pain inside. But pain held inside does not fade, it grows. They wonder if you have moved on. This thought haunts them. They wonder if you are happier without them, if someone else treats you better. The idea of you being loved properly both comforts and destroys them, because they wanted to be the reason. They know they hurt you, and that truth hurts them. They understand now what they could not understand then. At the time they were confused, emotionally unavailable. No, they are emotionally flooded, and regret arrives without warning. This pain is changing theme. It is breaking emotional walls. It is forcing growth. It is humbling them, awakening them, transforming them slowly and painfully. And whether they admit it or no, you are the catalyst. They stand at an emotional crossroads, and path is denial, pretending everything is finite. Other path is truth, facing the loss, facing their love for you. This choice takes time, especially for someone afraid of emotional exposure, but the pain will not allow them to ignore it. For what this means for you, this message is not asking you to wait, not asking you to chasten it, asking you to pause your life. It is simply revealing the truth. You matter, you still matter. If connection was real, their pain is not your responsibility, but it is proof of your impact. A final message for your heart: if you are hurting, to know this, you are not too much. You were not asking for too much. You were asking the wrong person to be ready at the wrong time, and sometimes love does not fail. Timing dose. If this message resonated with you, support the channel and continue choosing yourself.